What's going on, YouTube? Dorito here, and I just stumbled across this today. I was trying to figure out a way to clean the rust off of Chrome, and I was looking through a few things, and I saw this where you can actually clean the surface rust off of Chrome with aluminum foil and Diet Coke. So, you know, I got the Reaper, got to get that thing all cleaned up. So as you can see, this thing looks pretty gnar. Okay, so supposedly we're going to clean this with a little bit of this, which is Diet Coke, okay? Sugar-free Diet Coke. And this. And supposedly it does it real quick. So we're going to go ahead and try it out and then get right back on it. Remember, we're going to turn this right here into this. So let's get on with it, shall we? Okay, people, as you can see, got another Reaper here that I'm cleaning up and getting ready to move on. But cleaning up the motor and everything, redid the linkage. But I wanted to point this out. This is what the main part of this whole episode is. You see all the rust on this wheel right here, all the surface rust. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to clean that wheel completely with Diet Coke and aluminum foil. Somebody told me about that. I'm going to give it a try and check it out. As you guys can see, all the rust and everything. We're going to get this on. So this is going to be a quick video, but it's going to be time-lapse. So let's check it out, shall we?
Okay, people, so we're outside now. We've got our aluminum foil. We got some Coke. We got the hose on here. And we got the culprit, the wheel. So we're going to go ahead and get some Coke on this. And what you want to do, from what I'm reading, is you want to take your Diet Coke. And the reason they say use the Diet Coke is because it's sugar-free. So I guess it's not as sticky or something like that. So anyways, you put the Diet Coke on the aluminum foil, and you get over to your surface, and you just start scrubbing. So this is where we're going to speed it up, okay? So let's get on with it, shall we? Seems like it's about as hard as using the steel wool that I use, but it seems to be cleaning real smooth. So we'll have to see how that turns out. Oh wow, there's definitely oxidation coming up.
What? A puma! Oh, no, it wasn't a puma. It was a Sasquatch! No.
Okay, so back to filming. Got a quick call there. Anyways, let's go ahead and rinse it off with the hose real quick and see what it looks like here. Wow, seems to look pretty darn good. I don't know if you guys can notice that or not, but this little area right here I got and up along here is getting a lot shinier. So let's go ahead and get back on it. Yeah, what the pain in the butt is get every single individual spoke on this. This is 100 spokes, so you gotta do every single one of them. And then, not to mention the amount of ants that I'm getting out here. See what I go through for you people. seems to be doing pretty good. Look at the, I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but the nastiness on the foil from the oxidation. And it seems to be actually working pretty awesome. Of course, I think I'll have to go over it a little bit with some steel wool. But overall, it's getting it off real quick and real easy. So I recommend if you guys got some chrome and you want to try and remove the surface rust, foil and Diet Coke. Ants! Worse than squirrels. Yeah, it's like the city of Riverside sits on an anthill or something. You know, no matter how much in the summertime, no matter what you do, they're always coming around, and they keep coming and keep coming and keep coming, and they don't go away. This is really working real good. I'm thoroughly impressed. I should have tried this on the last one, that's for sure. But it does go through the foil, though, that's for sure. So that's one thing. Be prepared to use some foil. Wow. Look at that, people. Just that little bit of time. I don't know if you can really tell, but there's a lot of that rust is off. So let's go ahead and get back on that. Oh, killed it. Very tedious task, people. But I'll tell you, using the aluminum foil, I'm surprised how good it actually works. So, this is what one side looks like. This is what the other side looks like. I know you can't really tell because it's still showing through on the spokes, but we're going to keep scrubbing at it and get on it. So I'm going to go ahead and shut this off and finish up scrubbing and get back to you guys, alright?
Alright guys, well, I've got the wheel back on the Reaper. Here's what it looks like now. As you can see, it's pretty clean. Now, there's a little rust on it, but hey. So overall, that's the second Reaper. Too bad it's got to go. Peace! Alright guys, we're back. Anyways, so I went ahead and scrubbed it all down with the aluminum foil and the Coke. Came out real good. And then I ended up using a wheel cleaner as well, and just sprayed that on the top to wipe it off and get all the nastiness off of there from the foil, the oxidation and such. So let's go ahead and show you guys and see what it looks like. You saw earlier, but anyways, that's what she looks like. So I'm really, really impressed. I was trying to figure out an easier way to get the chrome off than just using typical steel wool, which, you know, that works too. But this was a lot faster, a lot easier. You know, I was talking with Fan1701, shout out to Fan1701 yesterday about how to get a rust off, and he was telling me about this spray. I couldn't find it. So I figured, what the hell, I'll go ahead and try Diet Coke and aluminum foil. And sure as shoot, guess what, people? It works. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and cut this off and give a big old shout out to aluminum foil and Diet Coke and say, hoorah, thank you very much. But anyways, we're going to cut this short. You guys go ahead and have a good one. A little informative video for you. I know that's kind of weird, but there you guys go. Thanks a lot. Rock on. Peace.